The hypotenuse is given, Sourish. It's 25.
Okay, then that's gonna be the right leg.
How do you find the right leg? What's the equation you use to find the right leg?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Pythagorean theorem.
That's right. Now, which two letters are given in this problem? Am I giving you A and B and C, or A and C?
And 7 is a squared.
7 is A, not A squared. So 7 squared.
Yep, 7 squared plus b squared equals 25.
Squared.
Yep.
Okay, good. So why don't you use the calculator?
Okay. The
And,
calculator right there. I'm
and
gonna.
go ahead and calculate this for us, please.
Yeah. That right there is 49 plus b squared equals 500.
It's not 500.
625.
Okay. How do you solve for B?
How do you solve for b?
Yes.
You have to subtract.
Okay, so subtract 49.
Subtract 49. That's gonna give you subtract 49 by 625. I'm gonna use my calculator.
Okay.
576.
So B squared equals 576. How do you solve for B?
How do you solve for b? B is just equal 576.
B squared is 576. You have to solve for B by taking a square root.
We're taking square root. You take the square root and then what equal? Oh wait, I got this. We have to find the square root of 576.
That's right.
$24.
B is 24. Very good.
Yep.
All right, so from the other day, I'm going to put this symbol in red. What is this symbol? What is that Greek letter?
The Greek letter is the it's called the T
Theta. Theta.
theta.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Now we're gonna determine the sine of theta. We did this last time.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Can you tell me what this is?
Sin 0 is the opposite.
Sine of theta is the opposite over the hypotenuse. What is the opposite?
The opposite is 24.
And what is the hypotenuse?
25.
Very good.
Oh.
What is the cosine of theta?
The cosine?
Yes.
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
Okay, very good.
Adjacent is 7 and a hypotenuse is 25.
Okay, and the last one is tangent of theta. What's the tangent of theta in this problem?
The tangent and theta, that's going to be opposite and opposite and opposite and adjacent.
Okay, what does that result in?
That's going to be 24 over 7.
Okay. All right, so we started doing a couple of these worksheet problems. We're going to do a few more of those today. And then we'll switch to the calculator stuff. Okay, so here's a problem for you. They already have the three Sides figured out. What is
Yeah.
the tangent? What is the tangent of A?
The tangent of A. The tangent of A is opposite over hypotenuse.
Okay, so give me the fraction, please.
Yeah, 35 over 37.
Nope. You said it correct. It's opposite over, well, it's opposite over adjacent.
What? No, opposite over hypotenuse.
Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tangent is the opposite over the adjacent.
Okay. Okay. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 12. I mean, no, 12
Over,
over 35.
very good. What is the tangent of C?
The tangent of C.
Yes.
The tangent of C. The tangent of C is tangent of C is opposite over hypotenuse.
Okay, I agree. What is that? What are those numbers?
12 over 37.
Try again. You're here at C. Okay.
Okay, 35 over 37.
Well, that would be true if you're doing sine. What are we doing in this problem?
Find the opposite and then the tangent.
Opposite over adjacent. So
Yeah.
35 and the adjacent is 12. 37 is the hypotenuse.
Yes. Uh-huh.
So what is the adjacent, Sourish?
The adjacent is 12.
It is 12. Good. Very good. All right, let's look at another problem here. Are you getting this down in your notes?
Yeah.
So if I ask your dad later to look at your notes, he's going to see problem 5.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask him later about it. All right, tangent of x, okay? Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so here's x.
Okay.
What is adjacent to x?
Adjacent to X. 36.
36 is opposite.
27.
Very good. So what's the result?
What's the result?
Yeah.
Yeah. Opposite over reaction. That's 36 over 27.
Very good. Now, sometimes you have to reduce. Can you reduce 36 over 27? Is there a number that goes into both the top and the bottom?
The top and the bottom. Be 45 and the 36.
So you divide by 3. What is 36 divided by 3?
36 divided by 3 is 12.
What's 27 divided by 3?
9.
Okay. Can you divide them again by 3?
Yes. That's going to be 4 over 3.
Very good. All right. So now we're going to look at the same drawing, same triangle, but we're going to do the tangent of z this time. So I want you to give me the tangent of z in reduced form. So just like we did in the last problem, but in reduced form.
Okay, yeah. (27/36).
In reduced form, Sourish. Reduced form.
Yes, that's 3/4.
It is 3/4. Good. All right. Let's do one more, a couple more here. Cosine C, cosine C. So this one can also be reduced, but just tell me what cosine of C is without reducing it first. What's the right reference points here? Which two sides are we looking at?
Opposite and adjacent.
We're doing cosine this time, Sourish.
Opposite and hypotenuse.
It's not a guessing game. Do you have the sheet in front of you from the other day that your teacher
Yes, I
gave you?
do.
Okay,
Mhm.
well, look for cosine. What does cosine say? Down towards the bottom of the page on the left, what is cosine?
I'm checking it.
If the paper's in front of you, you should just go down to the edge of the paper. If you're using the internet or something else, you will not find what you're looking
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
for. Okay, so what is the adjacent over the hypotenuse in this problem?
Adjacent is 36/39.
Very good. Now these are both divisible by 3. So I want you to divide both of these by 3.
Twelve and 13. 12/13.
Very good. Okay, now I want you to find the sine of A, the sine of A.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Which two sides are we looking for with sine?
We know about sine A is that it's opposite over hypotenuse.
Okay, so what is opposite to A?
The opposite to A is 15/39.
That is not correct. Try again. Here's A. Which is opposite?
36/39.
Yes. Can you reduce this for me?
Yes, it's 12/13.
Very good. Are you okay? Are you okay, Sourish?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. All right, let's do a couple more here. I want the sine of C. Sine of C, please.
Okay. 15/17.
Very good. How about the tangent of A, please?
The tangent of A.
Yes.
Tangent of A is tangent of A. The tangent of A, what I told you is that is going to be 15/8.
How did you come up with that?
It's opposite over adjacent.
So here's A. What's opposite of A?
What's the opposite of A?
Yes.
8.
Okay. And what's the adjacent to A?
15.
All right. So I'm looking for a few more problems for us to work on. Give me just a moment here to find, we've kind of done all those triangles I had first pulled up. So let's look at another. This is just someone borrowing from someone else. How are your other classes going? Anything fun to report? Any good grades you want to share?
That's good. That's good.
How about English? How is that going?
English is going very good.
I like hearing that. How about physical science? Are you in chemistry?
I'm in chemistry, yes.
Okay. Do you have any chemistry questions you need to answer?
Chemical questions that I need to answer.
Yeah,
No,
do you get
I
any
am doing
chemistry?
good in chemicals.
Cool. That's awesome. Okay. Just I'm trying to find some that we haven't done yet, but nevertheless. All right. Last one here. This is not to scale. Could you find the hypotenuse of this triangle for us, please?
The hypotenuse. Okay, yeah, the hypotenuse of which is the coast, right? All right.
Yes.
Adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, it's 9/40.
Sourish, we're using the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b
I
squared
thought we were
equals c
using the okay.
We will, but we're going to first find the hypotenuse.
Okay, 40 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared.
Okay, can you calculate that for us, please?
Yeah. 40 squared is I'm using my calculator.
Of course.
1,600, and for a 9 squared, that is 81.
Okay. Can you give me
Yeah.
I just want the value of c. What is the hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse, well, you have to add them. 1,681.
Okay, what is the value of c?
The value C is 41.
C squared is, yes, c is 41. Very good.
Yep.
Okay, so now let me redraw the triangle. And we'll go S, A, T. I want you to find the sine of S for us, please. The sine of S.
Okay. All right. Opposite. 9 over, I mean, no, 40 over 41.
Which is your answer?
40 over 41. Opposite over a hypotenuse.
Okay, where is S in this drawing?
Right there. Okay, okay. It's 9 over 41 because it's very further.
That's right. It does matter. So how about the tangent of A? What is the tangent of A, Sourish?
Tangent of A.
Yes.
Tan- 9 over 40.
How did you come up with that?
It's opposite over adjacent.
Where is A in the drawing?
I didn't even know that. Okay, I got this. 40 over 9.
Okay, very good. How about the cosine of A?
40 over 41. 40 over 41.
Very good. So you really have to pay attention to detail here. Okay. All right, so let's just take a 3-minute break, Sourish. I'll check back with you at 7:30. Does that sound good? Or 7:31?
Yeah.
All right. See you shortly.
Okay.
Hey, Sourish, let me know when you're ready to get going here again.
Can I have some for some few minutes?
We just took 3 minutes. What do you need a break for?
I just want to wait until 7:33.
I can't do that, Sourish. If we're gonna do that, we're gonna end the lesson. So let's
Okay, let's
if
go
you need.
back.
Okay. All right. So do you have your calculator with you?
Yeah,
Okay. So I want you to calculate the sine of 30 degrees in your calculator, please. The
30 degrees.
sine of 30 degrees.
The sine of 30 degrees.
Do you have a calculator in front of you?
Yes, I have it. I
Okay.
have it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So now what I know of is that I know that the what I know is that the sine of 30 degrees is 0.29.
That is not correct. What are you using to calculate that?
Scientific calculator.
Okay, so there's a mode in your scientific calculator. It has to be in degree.
Okay.
Can you tell me which model of calculator you're using so I can get
The
you to,
scientific calculator.
I understand, Serge. What is the model of the calculator? Can you send me a picture of it?
No, it's just I know it's just because it's just the normal one. I now got the answer right now.
The answer you gave me is not correct. And I want to help you switch it to degrees because it's likely in radian. So will you kindly send me a picture of the calculator or give me the model of it?
Give you the model. What?
Well, you said, how about this? Just send a picture of the calculator. I'll tell you which one it is, and I'll look up how to convert it to 2 degrees.
Right. There, I sent it to you.
Okay. All right. Very good. Appreciate you doing that. All right. So the model of this one is a TI 30XA. Okay. That's what I meant by model on there.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So let me do a quick
It's
Google search.
I know I have got on my calculator 0.5.
Okay. So you do know how to convert it to degrees. That is correct. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Now, just to confirm that, what is the tangent of 135 degrees?
Okay, tangent. Okay. Oh, yes, I have it. Okay, yes. I got -1.
Are you using that calculator or something
Yes,
else?
I am.
Okay, just seemed like it took a long time to type in, hit one button followed by 3 buttons and then hit enter.
Yeah, I was just getting confused with my calculator right here.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to do some harder problems now. So now that we've got that situated, I'm going to draw a new right triangle here, and we're going to say that this angle right here is 25 degrees, okay? And the hypotenuse is 10, all right? And we're going to call this X and this Y. Is that okay?
Yes, okay.
All right. Tell me what the cosine of 25 degrees equals in terms of the two sides. What are the two sides that cosine refers to?
The cosine of 25. I'm gonna be putting that right now inside.
We don't need to do that. You don't need to do that yet. You just need to tell me what two sides cosine refers to. Adjacent,
Cosine
opposite, or hypotenuse.
okay, cosine, it refers. Ugh. The cosine, it refers to adjacent over hypotenuse.
So what is the adjacent?
The adjacent is 25. No, it's the adjacent is y,
It is not y.
x
Okay, over
10.
10. Okay. All right, now we're going to solve this equation for x by multiplying both sides by 10.
Okay.
So on the right, it's just x. 10 cosine 25.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so I want you to go to your calculator and type in 10 times the cosine of 25.
10 times the cosine of 25. Okay, I got it.
Or maybe the way your calculator works, I have to look at it one more time.
Wait, what?
Your calculator may not allow you to enter that in all at once.
Yeah, it's not letting me.
Okay, so start by entering the cosine of 25. Start with this,
Okay.
and then multiply that result by 10.
Okay, 10. Okay. Cosine of 25.
What is the
It's not letting
cosine?
me do anything. It's not working.
So type in cosine 25 and hit enter.
Oh. I don't know how to do it.
Well, you've been doing it.
Well, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to like click, but I don't even know. This is so confusing.
Well, I don't understand, Sourish, because you were able to do the tangent of 135. How did you do that?
Well, I know what to do, but okay. Hold on,
I
hold
feel
on,
like
hold on, hold on, hold
I
on.
don't think you're being honest with me at this point. And
I hold on. I got this. I got this. 9.2.
okay, how did you come up with that?
I first did the number and then pressed the cos and then times 10.
Okay, so yes, your calculator really requires a few other things to be done.
Yeah.
Okay, talk to dad, maybe get a different calculator. All right, so we're
No,
gonna look at
my
this.
calculator looks good.
It's limited. It's limiting you for this. So let's do the sine of 25 degrees now. What does this equal in this triangle? What over what?
One over what?
Yeah.
Okay. Sine of 25 is over Sine of 25. What I told you is that opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is x over 10.
It can't be the same as the last one. It's sine this time, not cosine. What is
Wait, y over 10?
y over 10? Good. How do we undo division by 10?
Under division by 10, multiply.
Multiply by 10. Okay, very good. So this becomes 10 times the sine of 25 equals y. So in your calculator, you have to type in the 25, enter, sine, and it should give you the result. I don't know if you have to put enter or not. And then you have to multiply that by,
Is it EE?
it is not EE.
$4.6.
Try again. What is the sine of 25?
The sine of 25 is 25 sin.
I'm asking you, what did you get after you put in the sine of 25? What does the calculator show?
It shows that it gives me an answer, but then when I multiply by 10, it gives me 4.6.
What is just the sine of 25, Sourish?
The sine
Read
is
it,
sin.
read it to me up to 4 decimal places, please.
All right, that's okay. First of all, I use 25 and then use a sin and then multiply by 10 and then it will equal me 4.2.
Okay, but somehow you were getting a different answer before. So which one is correct and why?
4.2.
So can you tell me now the sine of 25?
The sine of 25 is okay. Should I have to use a square root?
No, I'm just asking for the sine of 25, Sourish. Sine of 25.
4.2.
It is not 4.2. What is the sine of 25 degrees?
Okay.
To 4 decimal places.
0.4.
4 decimal places. Keep going.
0.42. 26. 18262.
Okay, very good. Let's try another one here. Give me the tangent of 3 degrees to 4 decimal places.
The 4 decimal places.
Yes.
Four decimal places. Okay, I got it. Zero point zero five two four zero seven 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 nine.
Okay, so 4 decimal places, Sarge, means to stop after you tell me 4 decimal places. So let's try one more. Let's try the cosine of 82.1 degrees.
82.1 degrees.
Yes. Read it to 4 decimal places for me, please.
Okay, I got this. Zero point nine one three six six two five six six.
Try again.
What?
Cosine of 82.1 degrees.
Zero point two seven seven four eight two three three seven.
Nope. Try again.
Well, I did all the best I can.
I understand, but there's something going on. Like your calculator is maybe not compatible with what you're trying to do, or we need to find another way. Okay, so we're gonna stop here for today. The answer is 0.1374 We're gonna go ahead and stop here.
Of course it is. Okay.